Oh, it's the parole camp. Do a pistols only match. Trendy will be our cameraman.
Yo, hopefully I don't get shot. Dude, yeah, they kept shooting me.
They kept moving. Ooh, we just saw like pink shit moving. Thought it was a fight. Hey.
Even with my
Good guy. Trendy laser.
It's got some. What?
There you go. It's already running.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. Just on the bottom. Not this trail's off. So we're gonna be down there in the bushes and all the way to the creek. There you go. You got the medical badges.
That's right, dude. Don't shoot me, man. I'm a medic. All right. Can't shoot me. Trendy bastard shoots me. I'm gonna shoot him back. Uh-oh. I guess the game started. You guys are a little close. Is shit jammed? Yeah, see, that's... I wonder whose gun that is. Who else is having gun problems? You too? You lost the clip? Yo, time out, Jay. He lost the clip. Time out.